A beam of laser, defining precision, a single cut, witnessing strength. Dedicated to laser automation solutions, making laser cutting simpler, empowering our customers' success. This is Lonxin. Founded in 2008, Lonxlaser specializes in intelligent laser automation equipment, integrating R&D, manufacturing, and sales enterprise. Lonxin drives innovation through independent R&D in core technologies, backed by a dedicated CNC system team. We deliver high-end CNC solutions for laser machine tools. Today, Lonxin stands among the few manufacturers in China with fully self-developed CNC systems. The company is committed to delivering higher quality laser cutting equipment and intelligent production solutions. Lonxin holds over 30 invention patents and more than 20 trademarks and software copyrights. The company has been recognized as a manufacturing hidden champion in Nanhai District. Lonxin holds multiple certifications and honors, including National High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Engineering Technology Research Center, and Foshan Industry Leading Enterprise. These recognitions further reinforce Lonxin's leading position in the industry. It also partners with leading research institutes and universities to continuously advance its technological capabilities. Driven by customer needs, Lonxin continuously evolves through innovation. Today, Lonxin stands as a leader in China's laser tube cutting industry and one of the most comprehensive suppliers in the segment. With a comprehensive product portfolio, we offers K36 3D 5-axis laser tube cutting machine, the world's first ultra-long 46 meters model. T12 bevel laser tube cutting machine, engineered for the perfect balance of precision and speed. K9 5th generation high-speed laser tube cutting machine, designed for small to medium tube processing. K3S laser tube cutting machine, ultra-precision cutting for small tubes. And fully automated laser tube production line. Today, Lonxin offers over 30 laser tube cutting machine models, ranking among the industry leaders in product range and shipment volume. It operates over 70,000 square meters of manufacturing facilities, including Foshan Headquarters, Yangtze River Delta Production Base, Sunshui Production Base, and Jinan Production Base. A comprehensive after-sales service network ensures lifetime maintenance support with 24/7 rapid response, delivering efficient professional service. Lonxin operates over 30 sales and service centers across China, covering 29 administrative regions and nearly 300 cities, serving over 10,000 customers. Overseas, Lonxin has established subsidiaries in Brazil, Vietnam, and South Korea, with a global presence spanning more than 100 countries. Together with our partners, we are committed to delivering exceptional quality to customers worldwide, creating limitless value for our customers. Lonxin remains focused on laser cutting, driving innovation through continuous R&D investment. We are committed to advancing intelligent manufacturing in China, making laser cutting simpler, and empowering our customers to succeed.